Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Quant. We're going to be analyzing the chart, see what is happening with the price and where we could see the price headed as we do go into the month of June. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Quant. I've been covering Quant on my channel for quite some time now. So, it's quite important for me to make an update for you guys on this because I do have a Quant community that follows me and that likes these kind of updates. So thank you so much for all your support, and let's waste no more time and get right into it. So if we're looking at the price of Quant right now, you guys can see it's currently sitting at $115.91. It's up 3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, ETH comparative, and Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. You can see the market cap is currently approaching that $1.7 billion mark, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 25 million. So let's shift our focus towards the overall price, give you guys my technical analysis on here and my own personal opinion, see what is happening and what I could be expecting Quant doing in the upcoming near future. As always, guys, nothing on this channel is financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So let's go down memory lane because it's been a while since we've covered Quant, and of course now things are starting to heat up. We have China news coming out. Potentially China could lift the ban on cryptocurrencies as early as this upcoming month of June. So a lot of excitement coming in once again, and that's going to open up a brand new market for new retail money that could flow into the crypto space. So it's very exciting. So we're going to analyze the charts, and of course new money is coming into the markets already, new interest, brand new people to crypto. As an influencer, I can really see that with my analytics and with what I'm hearing from my viewers. A lot of comments coming in, hey, we're new to the markets, I really enjoy your updates, thank you, it's really easy to understand. So that gives us an understanding that new money is coming in, and we are headed in the right direction where we want the crypto markets to really be going. And historically speaking, guys, everything is going as we have planned, and I really like what I'm seeing right now. So historically speaking, if you're new to my channel, we're going to look at the historic price pattern for Quant. You guys can see last bull cycle it reached an all-time high of $432, guys, per QNT token. That is impressive. And since then, of course, quite a sharp dip that occurred within its price. But of course, guys, it's a bear market, and we did see Quant go down quite a bit. You saw it hit an all-time low last June of $39. And last June was its all-time low, and that was its bottom. And since then, even though we have seen quite a bit of uncertainty throughout the months, even leading up to the year of 2023, we haven't seen Quant break its momentum, and that shows the strength this project has for itself. And I really am optimistic that if everything were to go, history were to repeat itself, Bitcoin were to hit the $120,000 range, I see Quant approaching four-digit easily. And again, of course, that's my own personal opinion, but what the project itself's doing, guys, I'm sure most of the people that are watching know like what kind of strides Quant is making within the overall, when it comes to the business world. And that shows where things are really headed with this project. And if you guys were not here last year, I know, again, like I said, there's a lot of new money coming in. If you were, great. We're just gonna quickly get the new people kind of on the same page as us. Last year, guys, around this time, of course, everything was bleeding, everyone was scared, everyone was just panicking. And since then, guys, literally look at it. If you manage to pick up some Quant around this sweet spot of that $40 a pop, you guys saw Quant run up 437%, and this is where Quant left everyone speechless. A project that is making such a nice recovery in a bear market. That's unheard of. And that only happens to projects that are really, really solid. And we saw this project go back almost into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level just last October. And since then, we pretty much consolidated, and I really like the way this has consolidated and did not show us weakness whatsoever. Yes, we did go below the 78.6, but the most important thing that I'm trying to show you guys is we never managed to even come close to this level of support at the $87 mark. Last time we were there was back on September, and of course we were in a bear market at that time. So that's something that we need to keep in mind. And I'm really liking what I'm seeing with Quant, and I think this project is about to make a reversal, especially as things are heating up for the entire crypto space. Quant is about to really get things going for itself. So if we zoom in a little bit, let's just look at it from since the time we broke out of this level of resistance back on last July, which is almost a year. So the price has pretty much stayed above this level of support since then. And if that is not bullish, guys, I don't know what is going to be bullish. And pretty much since then, we did, of course, profit taking is going to happen, and, pretty much consolidated within this range. And, the beauty about consolidating is now that this level of support is so strong for Quant that it's going to be really hard for it to break below it. And not only that, the main thing I want you guys to pay attention to is this. So of course, we did see, if I go to the Bitcoin chart, Bitcoin was having quite a bit of volatility within its price. We did see Bitcoin go down to the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, but we have reclaimed the 61.8. So, a lot of volatility was going on, and Bitcoin dominance still sky high. That can really impact altcoins in a negative way. And, of course, Quant reacted to that, but we saw Quant go down to $95.47, and that did not hold for too long. That price did not hold for too long. Just since May 26, guys, if you pick some Quant around that range, you are already up 21%. You guys cannot make this up. You are up 21% since then, and we are about to see Quant reclaim the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level zone and potentially could start heading back to this massive level of resistance, guys. You guys know how important this level of resistance is. I've shared this with you guys in the past. We did see it go above it earlier this year, but never managed to close above here, which kind of showed weakness. But I'm saying, at broader picture, if we look at the broader picture, Quant has not showed us weakness, and that really shows the interest level that's building up, the accumulation that's happening. Whales are accumulating. You would be surprised. People buy OTC, and all these massive big players, they're not going to be buying on the exchanges because of course price impact will make the price go up, and they don't want to do that. They just want to keep accumulating at cheaper prices before of course retail interest comes in, and that is coming. We're starting to see the effect of that. And of course, if China were to unban crypto, boom, things can really start heating up really, really fast. So I'm really liking what I'm seeing with Quant, guys. One of the best looking charts in the crypto space, and I've shared with you guys before too. If we get back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, we are about to see a little bit of resistance come up on our way, mainly at the $133 mark. So that is the next target that I'm really eyeing. If Quant is able to break out of that zone, guys, let's be prepared for $155 Quant in the very near future. And of course, if altcoin season starts and BTC dominance starts retracing down, it could be really fun times ahead. But let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Quant going at the end of this year. I'm not saying at the end of this month or next month. I'm saying at the end of this year. Let me know in the comment section. And also let me know how often you guys want me to make Quant updates. And also if you guys want to engage with me, stay notified, go on my Twitter, link in the description box below, guys. Go follow me on Twitter. I'm really going to start pushing my Twitter so we get that family over there going heavy. So that is it for today's update. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.